Welcome to a new video, guys. In this video we'll take a coding challenge where we have to convert the video capture from left side to the right side. Let's jump into the video. So to start this coding we need some of the libraries. So let's import those libraries. So first one will be the OpenCV. Then we need matplotlib to plot. Okay, lib import pyplot. Okay, splt. Then import numpy as np. Okay, then import those. Okay, so after importing these libraries, first we need to ask the user to select that area where he wants to transform. So for that we need cam. So let's call it as camcap, and from cv2 just start the video capture. Okay, and then immediately destroy those because we want only at one. Okay, then while true, so we are just making it as while true, but we can do it as a single shot also. So just take as image. Okay, then cam capture dot read. So we will read the image from capture that we did and then show. Okay, then we will select the ROI from the function select ROI. Okay, while giving the input it's a image, and give the image as input to it, and from center just make these things false and false. Okay, so this is the function, and just break this. So this is the function which will capture that area that user wants. After capturing that ROI, or you can say the portion where we want to transform, we will start capturing the live images. Okay, so for that just hold it as image frame which we will capture from the cam capture. Okay, and just read those value from the image, then we will draw. Oh, and then we will draw that rectangular image on that, so that will be image frame. Okay, and then we will just decide the boundaries. 1 2 and r1 plus r3. So that rectangular boundary that we want to do. Okay, then other will be r0 to r0 plus r2. R0 plus r2. Okay, then we will call that as sketcher rectangle. You can name it as any variable. To rectangular image, and then we will suppose transform it from this called from the function called transform. Okay, and we will pass this sketch rectangle. Suppose it's already done. After transforming the image, the below will be some helping lines to show those image into the live image. So these will be like to converting those, and replacing that and showing that. And then if someone just press Q, then it will break. Okay, after this we need to destroy all those windows. Okay, destroy all windows so that there will be no other windows. So after making those initial work, we need that transforming function, and let's define that transforming function, and inside that we will convert first that into color grayscale, and after converting we will apply the Gaussian blur, which will be the main one, and send the image back. So this will be our main function helping there. So after making all those code, let's see what's happening. So just run this thing. So now my oh, so there is one mistake. So true will should be capital case here. Let's run it again. Now everything is working. So it captures my image, so we need to draw here. So suppose we want only this ROI, so just press enter. So now after that it's working, you can see.